Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another Nā Huaʻōlelo o ka Malama, the Hawaiian word of the month, expressed by our Partners in Development Foundation. The Huaʻōlelo o Nā Huaʻōlelo o ka Maoli o Hawaii are Hawaiian values, words representing Hawaiian values. The word is aloha, and the final A of aloha, which according to our Antipilahi Paki, explains Ahonui, meaning patience, waiting for the moment to be expressed with perseverance. Our sentence that we're using this week, ua ahonui nōʻoe I nā pōpilikia. You have been patient during these times of difficulty, these times of problems and troubles. A wonderful value that we have in our Hawaiian culture. From all of us in Partners in Development Foundation, i ola I ka ʻōlelo Hawaii, aloha.